Amazon S3 storage classes. Understanding storage tiers for cost optimization. Welcome to this video in our AWS storage series, where we'll explore the different storage classes available in Amazon S3 and how they can help you optimize costs while meeting your data access requirements. Storage classes are different tiers of storage in S3 that are optimized for specific access patterns and cost requirements. Think of them as different levels of service for your data. The key principle is simple. Choose your storage class based on how frequently you need to access your data. More frequent access means higher costs, while less frequent access allows you to save significantly on storage expenses. S3 Standard is designed for high performance with frequently accessed data that requires low latency and high throughput. It offers the highest availability at 99.99%, combined with an impressive durability of 11 nines, which means 99.999999999%. This makes it perfect for active websites, mobile applications, content distribution, and big data analytics, where you need instant access to your data at all times. S3 Standard in Frequent Access, or Standard IA, is tailored for data that you don't access frequently, but still need rapid access when required. It provides lower storage costs compared to S3 Standard, but charges a retrieval fee for each gigabyte you access. This class is ideal for backups, disaster recovery files, and long-term storage where you only need occasional access to your data. S3 One Zone in Frequent Access takes cost savings further by storing your data in a single availability zone instead of replicating it across 3 zones. This gives you approximately 20% lower costs compared to standard IA, with the same retrieval fees applying when you access your data. It's best suited for secondary backup copies or data that can be easily recreated if lost, since it doesn't offer the same level of redundancy as other classes. S3 Glacier Instant Retrieval provides long-term archival storage with the ability to retrieve your data in milliseconds when needed. It's the lowest cost option for data that still requires instant access, offering up to 68% cost savings compared to standard IA. This storage class works perfectly for medical images, news media archives, and user-generated content that must be retained for years but is rarely accessed. S3 Glacier Flexible Retrieval, formerly known as S3 Glacier, offers 3 retrieval speed options to match your urgency and budget. Expedited retrieval takes 1 to 5 minutes, standard retrieval takes 3 to 5 hours, and bulk retrieval takes 5 to 12 hours. Storage costs are even lower than Glacier Instant Retrieval, making it excellent for compliance archives, media asset libraries, and scientific data that doesn't need immediate access. S3 Glacier Deep Archive is the most cost-effective storage class in Amazon S3, designed for data that is rarely if ever accessed. Standard retrieval takes within 12 hours, while bulk retrieval can take up to 48 hours. Despite the longer retrieval times, it's the perfect solution for regulatory compliance data, financial records retention, and replacing traditional magnetic tape storage systems where long-term preservation is more important than quick access.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.